Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing our custom seat covers on our MODZ Flip4 rear seat. This nice 3-tone seat cover is going to be going over this seat. Let's get started. First I'll start with a small screwdriver. Now I'll put it underneath the staple and just pry up. I'll do this for a section, then I'll come back with the needle nose pliers and pull those out. Now we've got all of our staples removed. It's off with the old and on with the new. Next we're going to orient the cover to make sure we get it on the seat correctly. In this case, the wide portion is at the top. The seat itself says up, so this is my top. This seat cover is still pretty warm where we've had it out in the sun, warming up so it's easier to maneuver. Okay, now we're going to roll this over and go ahead and start our stapling. Now we'll start from the center and work our way out to the corner. Now on the seat base, we've got to take this cover off. We'll take a screwdriver and a pair of needle nose and go ahead and start going all the way around, removing the staples. Now that we get all the staples removed, once again, off with the old and on with the new. Now that we got the old cover off, we're going to make sure we have the alignment correct. Got the wide part here. It's going to go at the top, and the bottom portion here, it's got the cutout. So we will align this. Next we'll turn it up, look at our alignment here. Make sure we have it centered. Now we'll staple here, at the bottom, at the top, and then each side, and then we'll work our way out. Now that we got the seat cover on, we've got a couple of different options. We can just go ahead and mount it like this, but I think on this one, we're going to install our new back cap. So we'll align the holes, align our brackets, and tighten down the bolts. Okay, now just make sure you do not over tighten and make sure this stays loose until you get both sides on. And that is how you install these new custom seat covers on our MODZ Flip4 seat. It not only gives it a great appearance, but actually increases the value of the golf car also. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf car parts and accessories, check out DIYGolfCart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.